It's a game I made up called cubing tag. It's like cubes are around the outside of the table, and it's like we have to solve cubes, and then like if it's scrambled, and if it's solved, we have to scramble it.
And you have to try and tag the
keep
person
going around,
next to
and if we catch up to the person in front of us, then they're out.
So how does it feel to be at your first competition?
It feels good. I mean, it's definitely nerve-wracking thinking that like I started only a few months ago and now I'm in a competition. So I wasn't really expecting anything because I knew like I wasn't gonna win or even go through the second round. So I didn't really expect anything more than what I got. But I did get a 22, so that did. I miss how everyone is like so outgoing and nice, and how everyone just welcomes everyone and isn't so like kind of closed off. Even if we don't know each other, we're still like collectively have something in common and are all connected in one way.
What is it? Okay.
Oh, wow.